No.
Fine. Everybody, listen up. In less than 24 hours from now, the army of Cindercrest is set to take over this kingdom. They will not hesitate to kill every last one of you guys. I talked to Sergeant said that he was going to join Cindercrest. I'm gonna let all of you make a... Everybody, listen up. In less than 24 hours from now, the army of Cindercrest is set to take over this kingdom. They will not hesitate to kill every last new player among you guys. I talked to your leader, Sarge Law, who said that he was going to join Cindercrest. I'm gonna let all of you make a decision. Once I turn around and head back to my army, you may walk across this bridge and join me. If you stay on your side, on the other side of the bridge, I'm going to assume that you're planning on joining Cindercrest. If you do not join us, me and my army will see you as our enemy, and we will be forced to kill you. Please just think very carefully about this, please. I wouldn't want to have to do that.
Are you serious, Parrot? You think you can kill us? Are you dumb?
I'm joining you, King Parrot.
I voted for you.
I'm fighting alongside King Parrot.
I'm gonna fight
You guys are
Cindercrest.
so trash. You guys are all dead. You don't belong in the law anyways.
Welcome to the army.
I'm joining you, King Parrot.
Welcome over. You guys can head back there. Is that it? Please. We don't want to... Please just think about this, bro. This is everybody's last chance here. Please. Sarge, please. Just... I don't want to have to kill all of you guys.
Parrot! Theo wasn't even here. There's no way you actually think you could take this fight, right?
Rocket. Did you do what I asked?
Everything is ready, King Parrot.
Okay. I'm sorry for this. I don't have a choice. It's just that if they join Cindercrest, they're gonna kill all of us.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get in the tunnel! Last chance to get in the tunnel! But I plan on building an army for this is going to be no easy task. Because as of right now, my army is made up of just me and my two friends, Theo and Raina. The three of us have just learned about Cindercrest's plan to take over. Theo.
Reina, shield. Parrot, shield. Parrot, shield.
Get on! Doncho Gold. Come this way. From the start, our plan was to take Doncho hostage and use him as a bargaining chip to get the entire Merchant City Vanguard on our side. But in order to do this, we would first have to safely get Doncho out of the city. However, in the time that we had taken